Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're facing integration sync issues in Monday.com, like data not updating from connected apps or automations not running properly, don't worry. This is usually caused by expired connections, permission problems, or misconfigured settings. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check the integration connection. Go to Integrations, then My Integrations. Make sure the app, like Slack, Gmail, or Zoom, is connected and authorized. Expired tokens often break sync. Step 2, reconnect the integration. If the connection is expired or invalid, click Reconnect. Log into the external app and authorize access again. Step 3, verify board and column mappings. Open the integration recipe arrow. Check that the correct board, columns, and fields are selected. Misconfigured mappings can prevent data from syncing. Step 4, check user permissions. Make sure the user who set up the integration has access to both boards and the connected app. Without proper access, sync may fail. Step 5, review automation usage limits. If your account exceeded automation or integration limits for the month, recipes may stop running. Check admin to billing to usage. Step 6, test with a simple integration. Create a small test automation between the app and a board to confirm the connection works. This helps isolate the issue. Step 7, clear cache and refresh. Sometimes the app or browser cache blocks updates. Clear cache and reload Monday.com to see if sync resumes. Step 8, contact Monday.com support if needed. If the problem persists, submit a ticket with screenshots of the integration settings and errors. Support can resolve backend issues or API conflicts. Most integration sync problems happen due to expired connections, permission conflicts, or mapping errors. And these steps fix nearly all cases. Follow these steps and your Monday.com integrations should sync smoothly again. See you in the next guide.